First, talking about appsegeyser.com, appsgeyser.com, appsegeyser.com. I don't know how you might pronounce it, but I pronounce it as that. This site allows you to turn your website into an app. It allows you to turn your Facebook page into an app. You can create app for free on this app. Create your own Android app. Create an Android app by yourself. You can see it here. Make Android apps in 5 minutes with App Creator. Create app for free. Just feel free to explore the website. You can create an account with them so you can log in. And guess what? The best part is that this website is absolutely free. No coding skills, easy tutorials, everything, and their support is top notch. So just feel free to explore it. You don't need to do much work. Just copy the link to any website, maybe your website or anything, or the link to your Facebook page. Then you come and turn it to an app, to an Android app on the appsegeyser.com. So when you click on the create app for free, I'm just going to show us how it works. This is if you want to create a business app or individual app. Business apps allow you to turn your business website, your YouTube, your Facebook page, your HTML code, RSS or PDF to mobile app. You can also create messenger apps too here. So just create on the one you want. Let's say individual. Then you see the website, the wallpaper, messenger, video with calls, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. So you can just feel free to explore the app here. All right, let's say I want to turn my website into an app. All I have to do is just I'll paste the link to the website here. Went .com URL to convert it into an app so that you can see. I don't have a personal website, that's why I didn't use my own website. But if I have a personal website, all I have to do is just copy the link to my website and paste it in this space here. Then I click on save. Note that if you use someone else's website to practice, you can't publish the app because it's not yours. So you can only publish your own app. Okay, so this is it. So when you paste the URL that it has successfully loaded, you are just going to scroll down here and you can allow it to use any color. Then you can customize the page layout. You can click any color you want. I won't be doing a full tutorial now. So then you just click on anything, then next, click on how you want it to be, then you next it. And it's going to convert it right now. So can you see it brought me to this place? App name, Niger loaded Nigeria most visited music entertainment website. If you don't want it to be the name of your app, you can absolutely edit it. You can click on it to edit. So but I'll be leaving it this way because the website isn't mine. So you click on next. You can customize your icon. That is, if you have a flyer or you have a logo already, click on customize and you upload image, but I'll be leaving it at the default icon just now. Then next, here you click on create, and absolutely within 5 minutes it's going to create it for you. The reason why it popped me up here is because I don't have an account with them right now. If I have an account with them, it's going to load them automatically and download immediately. Then I can install the app to my phone. So that's just the simple way on how to use this website. And feel free to explore it also. You are free to explore the website and learn most things that wasn't shown to you in those videos. See you in the next video.